My son has been so excited to get his hands on these new Pokemon Mega Evolution Chaos Rising booster packs. He is a huge Pokemon card collector. He has been ever since he was really little. So he's going to open up 4 of the packs, and we're excited to see what he's going to pull. The designs on these ones are really neat. They stand out from some of the other sets. Every pack is a surprise, which was what makes opening them so much fun. He did get some really cool cards in these ones, and each pack has something different to add to his collection. If you're hoping to pull an ultra rare or just looking to collect the new cards from this expansion, it is always exciting to see what ends up inside. I also like these booster packs because they are an easy way to grow your collection. Opening these packs gave us a nice variety of cards, and he was super excited about it. If you have a Pokemon fan at home or you are one, these Chaos Rising Mega Evolution booster packs are definitely a must-have. The cards are great, and if your kids are anything like mine, they will have a blast opening every single pack to see what surprises are awaiting.